This is an overview for both Intermediate 1 and Intermediate 2 accounting at UCSD online. First, you should look at the syllabus, which I emailed you, or you can go to Blackboard and download it. Now, go to the introduction page first, and there's a link that if you have any questions, you can email me directly by selecting Email the Professor. Use this whenever you want fast feedback, but make sure you indicate the chapter and the specific problem you're having in the email, and also your first and last name. This is a linked course. Now, this course in particular, the way the homework program WileyPLUS works is that you have to access the homework program through Blackboard. You cannot go directly to WileyPLUS, or the assignment grades will not transfer to Blackboard. So please do not go directly to WileyPLUS, because if you do, I cannot fix the problem. You have to go directly to WileyPLUS to try to see if they can change the connection, and it's difficult and a lot of work, and again, please don't do it. Now, if you select the WileyPLUS link, if this is your first time using WileyPLUS, then what you're going to do is use your registration code, or you have the option of getting the code, and you would get, or you can get the loose leaf, or you can get the ebook. You have your choices there, or they have a grace period. Okay. Now, just so you know, the access code is good for both Intermediate 1 and Intermediate 2. So if you took Intermediate 1 using Wiley within the last year, then all you have to do is go, you should automatically get into WileyPLUS. So remember, there is a 14-day trial period. Now, if you select Syllabus on the course menu on the left, you should go there and review the syllabus before you take the syllabus quiz, which you can do as many times as you want, and it keeps your highest grade. And at the end of the syllabus, you will see this weekly schedule, and it gives you an idea of what's due. I'd make sure that I print it out. And also when you go to the actual assignments, it'll tell you the due date. So please don't email me and ask me what's due, because it's right on the schedule and I don't deviate. Now, I've changed discussion board this semester, and what I've done is you go to discussion board to do your autobiography and to post any general questions. Now, since I only look at this Mondays and Wednesdays, if you need a quick response because you're working on the homework, my suggestion would be is if you've done the first and second attempt, my suggestion would be to email me and ask for tell me what help you need, show me what you've done, and I can walk you through it. Don't wait until you've already submitted all your tries before you ask, because then I can't really help you because you've already done the work. All right, go to Tools and you can see your grades. And for the essay, you go to Grades and look, there'll be a link for rubric, and it'll give you feedback on why you didn't get all the points. So please make sure that you do that, because I give feedback on every single essay and show you what you missed. If you go to lessons, for every single week, I have a lesson, and in it, it will show you everything you need to help you get through that particular chapter. I also not only have my YouTubes for each lesson, but I also list them. So if you need to go to a specific topic, you can select Professor Audio PowerPoints. Now, these are all about 10 minutes long at the most. Now, in this case, I've hit lesson 1, so you can see here it lists for you an outline, and you can either use the side menu or you can go through the pages. I also have a link to the actual chapter, and I have my audio PowerPoints and a link to the homework and the quiz and to the discussion, I believe. Now you can also, if you want to get to assignments, you can just hit assignments and it lists all of your assignments, and these are all direct links to WileyPLUS. Now once you select WileyPLUS, this is the screen you're going to see. If you need more studying tools, this particular program has lots of them for you, even CPA prep questions. So if you select help, what you do is you put in the chapter and you have all kinds of tools that you can use to help you. And these are, well, some say fun, some may say pretty hard, but it'll give you an idea of what that exam is going to be like. Now, when you select the homework assignment, you will see the policies. And in this case, as you can see, it will tell you you have up to 4 attempts per question on the homework, which means that, again, if you've done it 3 times and you got it wrong, please email me and I'll help you get through it. I swear I will. But make sure you tell me the chapter and the specific problems, and I will. But do not email until after you've attempted it. Number 1, I can't see what you've done. Number 2, everybody has a different problem, which means I have to specifically go to yours to help you. Now, this is what's going to happen. When you check your work, you have the 4 attempts, and when you look, you'll see red where you did it wrong and green where you did it right. Now, also when you're doing this, you need a count. You select show me a list of accounts, and it'll list them all for you. Don't try typing them in yourself. And once you have submitted, it will show you your score and how many you've missed. Now for the quiz, it will tell you ahead of time how much time you have, and once you start, you have to finish it because they are timed. So in this example, this is a quiz, and it shows you where the grades come. It tells you you've got 2 attempts per question, and you've got 120 minutes. Now, an example of a quiz is you get 2 chances per question, and this is what it's going to look like. So if you got it wrong, it will tell you, and if you got it wrong, it'll be red and you can try again because you get 2 tries. Now for the essays, you go to assignments, select essay. It tells you the ground rules for the assignment, and there is also a sample there for you. To start the essay, make sure that you select essay. There is a link right there, and that'll take you right to the essay. And remember, when you're doing these essays, what I'm looking for is to see, do you understand the accounting theory based on a financial transaction? That's what I'm looking for, because that's what's going to happen in your job. Somebody's going to come to you and say, this happened, and it's your responsibility as the accountant, not as the clerk, as the accountant, to understand what are the ramifications of every transaction. Now, there are 2 types of feedback. There's instructor feedback in Blackboard. This is for me. That's worth 10 points. And then there's a school feedback. Please make sure you do both of those. And thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this course.